All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Down right this second, ding ding, is it a discount buy? Go to their website, go to their Twitter account. I'm going to do a deep dive on AMP token and a price prediction. And they're saying that Bitcoin could get to $1 million. I mean, that seems like a lot. I mean, it's not even at 60,000 again. A million is a lot, but they're saying Bitcoin could one day get to $1 million. We're going to go to an article on that. A pretty interesting article. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is the crypto project Spooked Beans. Yeah, just launched a few days ago. Real good project at 8% back a day. We're going to go over that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP token is number 85. It's down 10%. Ding ding, maybe a discount buy. Maybe a discount buy. Down 2% today. It's at 2 cents. Let's go ahead and click it. AMP token 022, down 2.85% in the last 24 hours. So right here, take a look and how it's dropping down, down, down. It's a nice big drop right there. But in the last 7 days, this could be the discount buy that you're looking for. It was at 2.5 and it's been going down, down, down. What is going on with AMP token? Over to the Twitter account. AMP is a digital collateral token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world application, developed by Flexa headquarters, HQ. Next Wednesday, April 20th, Grayscale is going to host, so this is big, Flexa HQ CEO Tyler for a deep dive in questions and answers on Flexa, AMP, and digital payment industry. So it says, welcome, you are invited to join the webinar. Grayscale, don't forget Grayscale actually has AMP token as one of the investment products. So you can actually, with your cryptocurrency, go to Grayscale, do an investment product, and have AMP token be one of the blended, I think there's 4 or 5 different tokens you can actually blend. So this is going to be big, everybody. Everybody in the AMP token community, you're not going to want to miss this on April 20th. So big news coming right there. All right, we got a new list. Everybody knows this probably. New list on Huobi Global. Now, anytime there's a new list, like Robinhood just listed Shiba, 22 million people on Robinhood. When all these people that are on Huobi Global, they now can also get the AMP token. So some fantastic new listings going on. Over at the website, Let's Take Money into the 21st Century. AMP provides assets like BTC, Bitcoin, with instant variable assurance. Did you notice how this goes around? Right now it says Ethereum, and then it's going to bump over here to BAT. So it says you can stake the coin, you can send the coin, and you can repeat. Stake. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking AMP, any form value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency exchanges, loan distributions, sales, and more. Once you stake it, you know what you do. You send it. Once staked to a Parsons, AMP is ready for collateral transfer. With the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and real-world applications. All right, and then after you do that, you repeat it. Going down here, why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize risk for your users with smart contract features, purpose-built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. Collateral as a service. AMP collateralizes is tested, audited, and freely available for anyone to use. It's easy to build apps that lock and unlock AMP on demand to secure transfers, enable lending, and make value more quickly. Move to explore the AMP white pages, drives. Meet our friends and people they work with. Staking payments on Flexa to providing stability, liquidity. We got Flexa, Bittrex, Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase. Coinbase, actually, if you have a Coinbase account or you start a Coinbase account, there's actually 3 or 4 tutorials you can earn $3 to $5 on. You watch the video, you answer the questions, boom, they give you $1 an AMP. You do it again, I think I got $5 an AMP. I mean, it took me 7 minutes or whatever. So if you're looking to learn, also on Coinbase, there's all kinds of tutorials and other things about Ethereum, the blockchains, and everything else. All right, they're also partnered up with crypto.com, Moonswap, Loopring, CoinGecko, just to name a few. All right, so AM token down right this second, 10%. We'll come back for a price prediction when we're done. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Two more things. Bitcoin going up to 1 million. I mean, is Bitcoin going to go up to 1 million? And then we're going to go to Spooked Beans after that. Let's check out Bitcoin going up to 1 million. All right, over here, Yahoo News. Bitcoin will eventually hit 1 million a coin. CoinDesk predicts 1 million. An investor interest in cryptocurrency spikes. Bitcoin could raise to $1 million over the next 5 years. Holy cow. Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million a coin. I actually believe that at some stage with just aspects alone. It makes an incredible, exciting asset to hold. Bitcoin is uncontended. The timing of Bitcoin crossing 1 million is the big question. Wow, I mean, if it really crosses 1 million, you all want to go get Bitcoin today. I mean, buy $10 worth, buy $100 worth. All our information is for educational purposes only. Key technological event when the amount of Bitcoin awarded to the miners is cut in half. It is set to take place in 2024, and this will likely trigger a massive price surge. The year after halving always seems to create a huge rise. So in 2024, that's when they're going to cut the pricing. And again, miners don't like that because then they got to make less money mining, but it does make sense. We have seen prices explode. I don't know when Bitcoin will cross 1 million, but it will likely be around 2025. This is pretty bold stuff here. Bitcoin market cap is currently at 1 trillion, about to double where it was at just a year ago. The rally has been fueled by a couple of factors, including the fact that institutional investors are embracing the cryptocurrency. Yeah, the Super Bowl and everybody else talking about Bitcoin, I mean, it's going to keep going up. Earlier this year, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, while Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs also did the same thing. Crypto is gaining momentum in payment space, as well as MasterCard, PayPal, and Visa increasing crypto exposure over the past few months. Yeah, so here's the thing. Bitcoin going up to 1 million. This article can change your strategy. I mean, I know Bitcoin is down and this and that, but you know, if you had one, if a Bitcoin is 40,000, you had one of them, and in 2025 it was 1 million, your 40,000 would turn into 1 million. Again, all these articles are just articles, but I'm not saying to go buy a full Bitcoin, but you may want to start loading up on Bitcoin. If this article is true and you think Bitcoin is going to get to 1 million, what's the ROI on that? So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I like that article. 1 million seems like a lot, but it was definitely a good article. So, all right, what about Spooked Beans? Can you make some money with crypto projects? Let's head over to Spooked Beans. All right, we're over here at Spooked Beans, the FTM reward pool with the spookiest daily return and the lowest dev fee. Yeah, they got 801,000 of these FTMMs in there. Looks like I got about 9443 beans. Let's go ahead and show you how this works here. So for 6 days, you kind of hydrate or you re-spook, and for 1 day, you harvest. Let's go down here. Okay, so let's read this. The tokenomics, and then I'll do this. 2% fee lowest. 1% of the dev fee. 1% goes to the rug insurance to free rug souls. Rewards can be reinvested and withdrawn daily to ensure the max reward is 8%. We recommend the following strategy. All right, take a look. Re-spook for 6 days, or with that hydrate or compound, and then harvest on 1. So what a lot of people are doing is they're re-spooking Monday through Saturday, and on Sunday they're taking their full day of claim. The strategy has been battle tested and proven to maximize returns for both the short-term and long-term gain. So 6 and 1, these miners. On this channel, we said we talk about miners, GPU miners, this and that. Problem with GPU miners, you got to buy the GPU, you got to wait in line, you got to go to Micro Center, you got to get it all hooked up, all that stuff. This, you just go and you buy some FTMs, some Phantom, and you're in. It's that simple. You know, put $100 in if you want. Do whatever you want. Okay, so here we go. I got 66 of these. Phantom's like $1.30 right now. So that's about, what is that, 100 bucks? So let's take a look. 66 times $1.30. Now 85 bucks. Okay, so I'm gonna throw $85 in here. We hit spooked. Notice I have 843 beans. So we're throwing this 66 in here. So again, at the top, you see it's kind of like going around and around. So I'm taking these 66 and the 944 are the beans I have. 9443 are the beans that I have. All right, here we go. It's almost there. When these little things pop over here, is usually when it happens. What's the nutritional thing? Daily return, 8%. APR 29.20. Dev fee is only 2%. So again, this is a 6 and 1 miner. So literally for 6 days you compound or you re-spook. And for 1 day, you're going to actually harvest. So I think it's almost there. Let's go ahead and hit the refresh, 943. Nope, it's still trying. So then now the 943 has become 95.68. So I have more beans in there, which is fantastic. And that quickly, I took those 60, and 1 second later, look at how much I've already earned in FTM. So check this out. We're spooking, we're re-spooking for 6 days, and then on Sunday we're actually harvesting. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Bitcoin going to 1 million? Holy cow. Spooked Beans, this could be a good little crypto project. Do all your own homework, all our information for educational purposes only. Let's head back over to, smash the like button. Let's head back over to AMP Token. All right, back over here at the website. At the bottom here, I wanted to show you this, AMP Community Digest. You can actually put your email in here and subscribe, and they actually send you an email, send you information about what's going on with AMP. All right, AMP Token, what's our price prediction? I'm actually going to go the opposite way. I think the coin's going to still keep going down right this second. 0.22 is where it's at. I think it's going to go to 0.020. The coin is going down. It's been going down. Keep your eyes on everything. I'm actually literally bearish on this. I think it's going to go down. Do your own homework. All the information for educational purposes only. All right, everybody. AMP Token, discount buy. I don't know. Keep an eye on it. $1 million in Bitcoin, that's going to be awesome if that happens. If you have 1 Bitcoin right now and it's worth $1 million in 3 years, holy cow, that's fantastic. Cryptocurrency is going to make some millionaires. And the Spooked Beans, check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button, click over here to see our most recent video, and click over here to learn about Drip Network. Hey everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later.